Hi peeps, Jellybaby here, and today we're doing some Valentine's makeup look because it's right around the corner. Not that I've got anyone, but hey, who needs Valentine's Day when you can have a tub of Ben and Jerry's and watch some chick flicks, eh? Anyway, I do enjoy the aesthetic of Valentine's Day, so I thought I'd do a makeup look as well as some other stuff coming. To start with, I've already done my base and my eyebrows, so they're both on. We're good to go. First, I'm taking my Fix and Focus eyeshadow primer. Of course, I'm just gonna put that on the lids. And just pat it in with my finger. I'm taking my 2017 Makeup Revolution Collections palette, like their end of year thing. My lid's broke, don't ask. I don't know how I did it. This shade here, this in the middle pink. And I'm just taking this fluffy brush from Makeup Revolution as well. And to start this look off, I'm just going to put this into my crease. Next I'm going to take this hot pink that's underneath it, and I'm going to also run that through my crease. Then I'll go back to that first pink and just blend it out a bit. And I'm going to keep going back and forth with the colours till I'm happy. Voila! Alright, now I've got the pink down, I'm going to take my Shape Tape concealer and I'm just going to cut the crease. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand just to make it easier. Little detailing brush, and I'm just going to cut my crease. Patience is key with this. I'm not the best at it yet, so wish me luck. Now to try and get them to match. That's done. I'll say they're definitely sisters, not twins. But hey, what are you gonna do? Next, it's eyeliner. Red Velvet by Lime Crime. Hear me out. And an eyeliner brush. And I'm going to line. I'm gonna give myself a basic cat wing. It works, don't worry, because these dry matte. It works so well. Once again, I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. Concentration time. I'm going to just take it on there and go really, really slowly. Alright, done. I'm going to wait till it dries and then touch it up. Let's do the other eye. The soft highlighter, and I'm just going to take this white one and I'm just going to put that on my inner corner. I'm going to take this Dream palette, take this highlighter, and I'm going to add that to my inner corner. And also my brow bone. And I'm going to curl my eyelashes, because that's always important. And I'm going to use the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. Now if you want to wear falsies, which don't blame you, I would be if I had some. That's why I never wear any in any of my videos. Now's the time to do it. For highlight, I'm going back in with this pink one from the Dream palette and just this random face brush that's flat. And I'm just going to put it on my cheekbones and my nose and my cupid's bow. And I'm just going to take a smaller brush to do my cupid's bow. And I'm just taking this, my favourite light, very light blush from Avon. As you can see, I have heavily hit pan on this. I'm just going to take this further up my face than I usually do, just to give a really cute impression. And then always the nose. So I'm going to draw on some little hearts, and for this I'm going to use 714 by Jeffree Star and Red Velvet by Lime Crime again. I'm just going to do the same thing as I did for my eyeliner. I'm just going to take the wand, put a bit on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use this dotting tool, but with like this really small end. And I'm just going to use this to draw dots on my face. Not dots, hearts. And then last but not least, for lipstick, back in with Red Velvet again, and I'm just going to put this all over. And then for a tiny bit of pizzazz, I'm just going to put Diamond Crusher and Choke on the centre. And that is the look. So, I hope you enjoyed, and we're going to roll to some glamour shots, I suppose. And we're done. Apologies about the lighting, I don't really understand what's going on. I think it's because it's really late in the evening, so sorry guys. I hope you enjoy it anyway. Make sure you like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!